Timu ya Mathare FC kana the Slam Boys no mathite nambere gukorwo magitongoria ligi ya Kenya thutha wa gukorwo makĩrĩkithia Ahotani wao wa kerĩ kĩrũmanĩrĩrio. Kimera kia mwaka wa 2018 timu ya Mathare United merethi wa kocha Francis Kimanzi magĩteithania na Salim Ali kana Arabe. Marakorwo makĩrĩkithia Ahotani muthenya wa ira magithaka na Monasha Bernard Mwalala Nzoia Sugar kĩrĩni gĩa Kenyatta County ya Machakos na bao 2-1.
Vijana wangu wamefanya kazi mzuri, wamepata alama 3, bao 2 na pia nafikiri wamecheza mpira wa kufurahisha sana.
Timu ya Bandari ya Makorwo magithie draw ya kwa kugirania bao na timu ya Nzoia Sugar. Manduru marerire na baigire na baitatone ya timu ya Kariobangi Sharks aria marakorwo magithie draw ya kugirania bao 2 kugirania timu ya Vihiga United. Makorwo mari na bainya mumirira mage ma muthenya wa ira ni ati timu ya Ulinzi Stars marakorwo makihotwo ni timu ya Sony Sugar na bao 1 kwa ifogo kiharani kiaru haraka guku mushini wa Nairobi. Timu ya Tusker FC marakorwo makimatha pointi yao ya mbere kimera giki thutha wa kugirania bao na timu ya Posta Rangers kiharani kiaru haraka guku mushini wa Nairobi. Wa ngucanio kocha wa timu ya Tusker FC niwe Sam Timbe ni arakorwo akiuga ndari na hahu regia ya timu ya Tusker FC kwa kwandĩkithia Ahotani thĩinĩ wa ngucanio ni gukorwo ni timu arakorwo agithondeka thutha athaki 18 gukorwo makingatwo kimera kihituku.
Everybody came looking for 3 points, but when you perform and you don't get any goal for yourself and the defender doesn't get a goal, or rather the opponent, so you get satisfied with the point. There is no pressure for me because I'm used to this kind of work. They are giving me work to start preparing the team the right way. It's not easy, as I told you, building 14 players to come and assemble with this. It's not easy, but they are trying their best. This is what we have seen.